I invite you to join in this practice of just being where you are. So wherever you are, perhaps finding a comfortable position, either to sit or lay down. And in this invitation, you're welcome to either have your eyes open or closed, or let your eyes fall out of focus. And just starting with noticing the points of contact, your body to the chair or seat you're in, wherever you're finding yourself now, just noticing your whole body here. And if possible, not needing this experience, this moment to be any other way than it is, just for now. Bringing your attention to the breath. Just noticing how the breath rises and falls. The belly rising on the inhale and falls as you exhale. And there's no particular way to breathe in this moment, just noticing that you're breathing. And as you feel your body just sitting here, lying here, hold your body with dignity, a sense of care, a straight spine, balancing your head and neck on your shoulders, and opening up your chest as a way to signal you're open, but just allowing this experience to be what it is. And if you're comfortable, placing a hand on your heart and a hand on the belly. Just feeling that rise and fall. Perhaps you can hear the breath. Perhaps you can feel your heart beating. And in this moment that you've rescued from the millions that go out of your awareness, this one, perhaps you can just take a moment to notice the heart that beats for you without you asking it to. The lungs that breathe for you without you asking them to. This body that carries you through the day. And if you're noticing any pain, tightness in the body, see if you can just breathe into that part of the body. If possible, allowing it to be there just for now. And as this moment unfolds, and any thoughts that come into awareness that want to take you into the past, into the future, just noticing. And then bringing your attention back to the body, the points of contact, back to the breath. In this moment, nothing has to be stopped, changed. Nothing needs to go away. And breathing in these words, this poem on kindness by Naomi Shihab Nye. To really know what kindness is, you must lose things. Feel the future dissolve in a moment like salt in a weakened broth. But you held in your hand what you counted and carefully saved. All this must go so you know how desolate the landscape can be between the regions of kindness. How you ride and ride thinking the bus will never stop. The passengers eating chicken and maize will stare out the window forever. Before you know how desolate the landscape can be between the regions of kindness, you must travel to where the Indian in a white poncho lies dead by the side of the road. How he too was someone with plans and the simple breath that kept him through and carried him through the night. Before you know kindness as the deepest thing inside, you must know sorrow as the other deepest thing. You must wake up to sorrow. You must speak to sorrow till your voice catches the thread of all sorrows and you see the size of the cloth. And then it is only kindness that makes sense anymore. Only kindness that carries you through the day to purchase bread, mail letters. Only kindness that raises its head from the crowd of the world to say, "It is I you have been looking for," and then goes with you everywhere, like a shadow or a friend. When you're ready, opening your eyes and taking a moment to pay attention to how you feel in this moment. Perhaps a sensation emerging for you, a word or phrase from the poem. A moment to thank yourself for rescuing this moment back to yourself.